Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my lovely students, today we will take lesson 3 and 4. Okay, girls, we will take lesson 3 and 4 in our book, Better English Now, People's Book, page 33 and 34. Okay, girls? First of all, yesterday we took the passive voice, right? And I told you that the passive produces a sentence in which the subject receives an action. Okay, I will give you some examples. Here we have Ahmed opens the door. What is the verb? The verb is opens. The subject is Ahmed and the door is an object. What do I mean by subject? الفاعل أحمد. Opens the verb الفعل. The door المفعول به اللي هو the object. Okay? We have to start with the object. The door. Then is or are is. What is the third form of the verb open? Opened by أحمد. Okay? اللي هو الباسيve voice المبني للمجهول. Number 2. Amal writes her homework. Okay? We have to start from the object. The homework is written by Amal. The homework is written by Amal. Okay? Now I will start giving you the first word in my lesson today, which is hang. Hang. Hang is a verb. The word hang. H-A-N-G. H-A-N-G. The girl is hanging on the tree. H-A-N-G. This is a verb. So the first verb in my lesson today is hang. What about number 2? What can you see? In this picture, I can see so many animals. Like what? Like a lion, a zebra, an elephant, a giraffe, and birds. Also a monkey. So, where do they live? We can say they live in a jungle. They live where? A jungle. So this is the jungle. Okay, girls? It is a jungle. 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 So, what do you call this place? It is a jungle. Jungle. This is a jungle, and in the jungle, we can find so many animals like a lion, elephants, monkeys, birds, okay, giraffes. So, this is a jungle, okay? This is the second word in my lesson today. What about the third word, girls? What about the third words? First of all, if I ask you, how many cars can you see in this picture? I can see 3 cars, okay? Red car, green car, and blue car, right? And I can also see a man trying to park his car or trying to stop his car in the park. So we can say the man is trying to park his car or trying to stop his car. So park. Park can be used as a verb and as a noun. The word park can be used as a verb كفعل or as a noun, okay? P-A-R-K. Okay? So, the first word is hang, 2, jungle, 3, park. What about the third word, the fourth word? Here I can see a boy picking some flowers from the garden. So, he tries to pick some flowers. The new word here is يلتقط, okay? Pick, P-I-C-K. The boy is trying to pick some flowers, or the boy is picking some flowers, or the boy is picking just one flower. All right. Okay, guys? P-I-C-K. Okay? P-I-C-K. Now, read the conversation that we have here. Is parking allowed here? Yes, it is. Now, my lovely students, I need you to open your book, Better English Now, page 33, and match the pictures with the sentences, or match the sentences with the pictures, okay? Number one, we have water is cold in the fridge. Which picture? Picture number two. So you can do it by yourself, I think. Number two, the picture is hung on the wall. Which picture? Number four, books are kept on shelves. Number one, lions are found in the jungle. The last picture, Ahmed's hand is broken. The fifth picture, these cars are produced in Germany. The third picture, I think you can do it by yourself, my beautiful students. So open your book, page 33, Better English Now, People's Book, and match the sentences with the pictures, okay? Now, girls, this is the end of my lesson today. My lesson today is so easy, girls. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.